Introducing EnergyTrak, the all-new advanced generator monitoring and control platform from Briggs Stratton. EnergyTrak puts detailed generator information right at your fingertips for homeowners and pros alike. For homeowners, EnergyTrak provides peace of mind with real-time monitoring of your generator's status. Receive proactive maintenance alerts, automated system checks, and know your generator is ready to respond seamlessly during a power outage, even when you are away from home. And EnergyTrak alerts your Briggs & Stratton dealer should an issue arise with your generator. For pros, EnergyTrak offers a comprehensive fleet overview, providing instant visibility into all of your managed generators. Diagnose issues remotely and minimize downtime for your customers. Streamline maintenance scheduling to maximize the lifespan and efficiency of your entire generator fleet. EnergyTrak, advanced generator monitoring and control from Briggs & Stratton. Learn more at energy.briggsandstratton.com/EnergyTrak.